before we get started, I'm gonna need you to
like,
comment,
subscribe,
and hit that notification bell for each and every time that we post another video. That way that you can get notified. So, without further ado, we are going to be doing a spicy challenge. Let's get into the video. So we got the
spicy pickles, spicy waffles, and we got another spicy pickle,
woo,
and
boom,
we
bam.
got the chips, we got the
Chips.
sriracha, flame hot Doritos, we got the
And then we got this. And we got drinks.
We got the drinks. And then we got the
jalapeno pepper.
So, that's our raffles. But before we open,
We're gonna ASMR.
so shh. Alright. Set them ruffles down.
I'm not eating that much.
Not too
You
much.
better not put that much on my face.
I don't know why I got that much.
Oh. You gotta eat all that? Whatever you put on your thing, you gotta eat.
Alright. Set that to the side.
Side eye.
Alright. First one, ruffles. And
Side
this is,
eye.
see who can eat the most challenge. Boom.
Is it still going?
Yeah.
These are not even spicy. Like there's like a little kick, but
A little kick or two, but I don't.
we might have to.
We had to like go on the next one. So like, you know what I
Let's
mean?
go with
Alright, on to the next one. So, we got the
Doritos.
spicy kind. I heard whoever eats this never comes back alive.
There you go.
Look at my face.
So anyways,
I don't give a damn. Bye, girl. Bye, girl. Bye.
let's get
we
lit.
open the bag.
Let's
Open up the bag.
Let's do that ASMR first.
Oh my god, bro.
Fail.
I see. I smell the spice already. Yeah, let's start with a little bit. I don't know why I poured that much last time.
I'm not handicapped.
What? What are you trying to say? She bought me.
I love this shit. You know what I mean?
It's not good.
You started already? Anyways. Yeah. So, what do you rate this out of a hot skill level? 1 to 10. 3? I give it like a 2.
Yeah, me too.
It just tastes like regular Doritos. Right. On to the next one. So, we got the beef jerky.
Flaming hot flavor!
And apparently it is the original. So they say. How do I?
ASMR.
Ooh. For this one, we each should just get 4.
Hell out of here. 1.
Smells good.
Oh, ew! No, hell out of here.
Let's just start with 1.
Okay.
We don't know how this is gonna taste.
Yeah, and let's just get 1.
Only 1.
It don't even look spicy.
Oh.
Alright.
I don't have
This looks like bacon.
Say, hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. 'Cause then I start to taste them. I say, and then I start to smell them. So it's like the smell like tastes like other.
You might break your braces.
That's nasty.
Where's the spice?
This is hard. You wasted your money.
Beef jerky. I'm gonna need you to do better. Because if there's flames, that's telling me it's hot.
Woo!
Oh! Alright, I think. Alright, 1 out of 10.
It's 0.
Because this is not given. Alright, next one. We are going to be doing.
Oh. No. Dum, dum, dum.
got the jalapeno. We got the jalapeno. We got the jalapeno. Jalapeno. All right. So, how are we supposed to get this? Oh shoot! You guys didn't hear that. You guys come up a little bit. Come up a little bit. Come up a little bit. Wait. I know you heard that.
Yo, I'm sorry, but that beef jerky, can we get that back on the table? Because that's like...
Can we get that back on the table?
I ate my whole thing, and that's like... I'm sorry I threw you, but I take it back.
I think she likes it.
Only take one.
So, for the jalapeno, we're going to start off with one.
I love jalapeno.
Because we're not sure how it's going to taste.
Wait! Don't you move!
Ooh.
One.
I'm
like
scared.
I know, it's so wet. Whoa there! Whoa there!
How no? You better eat that shit. Eat it quietly. Eat it.
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
No!
Okay.
My lips are burning.
No, to me it was not spicy. It was just, well, I mean, it is spicy, but it tastes nasty.
That tastes good. Alright, what's next?
You gotta take a double look back.
Okay. So, what are we thinking that's next? Because the jalapeno was a no for me.
Okay,
What about you?
I love jalapenos.
That shit was nasty. I don't know if we're allowed to say that word, but if we're not, bleep it out. This is the finale. This is
The finale! Where's the other pickle?
You just
Oh,
messed that
sorry,
up. Do it again.
guys.
Don't.
Shut up.
Oh. So the next thing is, what should we
The
bring on next?
finale. This is the finale.
Finale! The finale!
The
finale!
A few minutes later.
So we got the pickles!
Pickles.
Okay, so...
Oh, wait, how do we open
set
this?
this to the side. This is
I
a
have
little
the thing
pill. Wait. Let's all open at the same time.
Wait, because mine doesn't want to open.
I don't know how to open this.
It just
Alright,
says
so-
right here. It says tear here, but I don't. Oh.
You heard that? Wait, let's all take it out.
This
at the same time.
stinks.
Oh, it smells like... I don't even like pickles, to be honest.
Oh, this is old, girl.
What if we needed the juice?
You guys are not gonna sit here tonight.
I was just about to say, I be sitting on it.
Alright.
Ooh, wait, hold up. Come close.
I think they need a close-up.
Put it in the inside. It's bubbly. My napkin is gone. So I'm screwed over. Oh wait, the Mazda. Get one of your sergeants to go in the glove department.
No.
Oh, banker.
Okay.
Wait, can we
So-
pour our juice out?
Yeah.
Don't let your pickle fall.
I'm not moving.
Oh, that stinks.
Look, just hold your pickle with the napkin.
Are you gonna squeeze
I
the
would
hot
have
sauce in
moved
here?
It was so warm. It's so warm. It's so warm. Just go down the floor.
Why mine look like this?
Got the dirty pickle.
All right, we're all gonna take a bite at the same time.
I'm putting mine in the bag.
All right. Okay, I don't even
Alright,
like
alright.
pickles. Like even
Hurry
when
up!
I have hamburgers, I take the damn pickle out. It's just nasty. All right. If I throw up, I'm sorry. 3, 2, 1.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
3, 2, 1.
A few minutes later.
All right, so we got some napkins just in case. So if you're gonna laugh or whatever, spit it up in there. All right, 3, 2.
Wait, mine. R.I.P.
Okay, 3,
My stuff is leaking on
2.
me.
Why you only got a little bit of Takis?
I got 4.
That's me. Okay, 3,
So man,
2. Hold on.
1.5.
2, 1. That's nasty. Yep.
You're just wasting your money on like on drinking
Hi, Asher Speed. My name's Jacqueline Mullinix. You're one of my favorite YouTubers of all time. And one of my favorite soccer players is Ronaldo and Messi.
See, my sergeant say stand still. When I move around, they are facing straight at all times. See, I commanded them. And if you want to be my sergeant, email us. Email us. I mean,
Email us.
My two Genesis and SB for us to email. So before we end off this video, I'm going to thank our camera producer, Marcus. This is the end of the video. So,
Thank you guys for watching. Follow your dreams.
and stay golden! And for the gods.
Hallelujah.
So I'm gonna need you to say hallelujah from the bottom of your heart, from the bottom of your soul. Hallelujah. Don't sound country with a hallelujah. I want to hallelujah. Yo, you can be on.
Oh, girl, you need to get on American Idol.
Hallelujah.
Yeah.
Hallelujah.
Yeah.
Hallelujah. Thank God.
Again, hit him again. The Golden Trio.
6, 7, 8.
The Golden Trio.
6, 7, 8.
So follow and subscribe and like for more.